So it has been a few weeks since I've had Crumbl cookies, and I am super excited to try this week's new flavors. Oh my god, these look amazing. There is mint chip ice cream, orange roll, double trouble, and turtle. I'm gonna start off with mint chip ice cream. It's actually not bad. I actually do taste a little hint of mint. Not too minty, which that's definitely okay with me because I'm not such a huge fan of mint. But it's because I don't like mint. But this one is okay. So this one's not bad. The orange roll. This one's good. I love the brown sugar cookie base. I do taste some orange in there. And then the glaze is amazing. And I just found out that the dehydrated orange is not on the center, which that's different. The double trouble. I'm just gonna bite right onto the middle so I can get both. It's very, very chocolatey. So this is good. I like this one. And lastly, the turtle. And I love turtles. Oh my god. This one's amazing. With the caramel and chocolate. And it has the crushed pecans in there. Like, that is the bomb. And this is one of the best cookies I've ever had from Crumbl. So, nice work. So my favorites from first to last is the turtle, mint chip ice cream, orange roll, and double trouble.